everyone! Welcome to Lina's Kitchen. Today we will be making strawberry charlotte. It's very tasty and light dessert that everybody loves. First, I have to outline the base of my pan. Then I have to outline the borders to get my charlotte in shape. For your strawberry charlotte biscuits, you have to separate first your egg yolks from your egg whites. First, you have to beat your egg whites until they get white, foamy, fluffy, and you reach stiff peak. After that, you have to beat your egg yolks until you get foamy texture and white texture. Both egg yolks and white eggs, you have to beat them with sugar. Put a little bit of egg whites in your egg yolks to make this mixture a little bit light first. Then add your flour in 3 sections. When you add your flour, fold your mixture gently. Whenever you finish with your flour amounts, now it's time to add your egg whites. Add your egg whites in 3 sections too, and fold gently, so your mixture will not lose air. Put your mixture in a piping bag and follow your drawing. I make 2 biscuits bases. Sprinkle some icing sugar on the top before baking it. Bake it 10 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit. Follow your drawing and pipe your edges too. After you are done with baking, save your biscuits in the fridge until we need it. For your custard cream, you will need 1 egg, milk, sugar, and butter. Boil your milk, mix your egg with your sugar and your flour. Mix everything well. Whenever your milk starts to boil, pour your milk in this mixture to temper it. Then pour this mixture again to your pan and boil it. And the last step is add your butter, mix everything well, and let this mixture rest in your fridge for about 1 night. I put my biscuits in Ziploc and I cover it well and leave it in fridge for whole night. This cake takes at least 2 days to make it. To make diplomate cream, you have to mix your custard cream that you have prepared 1 day before with your whipping cream. These ingredients has to be cold, your cream and your bowl. Whip your whipping cream well until you get a heavy and thick texture. Now it's time to mix your whipped cream with your custard cream. Loosen your custard cream a little bit with a hand mixer. Before start, you add in your whipping cream in it. Add your whipping cream in 3 sections. When you add your whipping cream to your custard cream, you have always to fold it gently. We don't want to lose air and fluffiness of our cream. Now everything is ready. Now it's time to assemble our cake. Get everything ready in front of you. Your cake, your strawberry, and your cream. First, put the base and the edges in your mold. Soak your base with the syrup first, then pour your cream inside your cake. Don't forget to divide your cream in half. First half for the base and second half for the second base. Be generous with the cream. Put some strawberry inside your cream and cover it with the second base. Do same thing in the second layer. Decorate your charlotte with some strawberries on the top. Brush your strawberries with a piping gel to prevent them from dryness. Reserve your strawberry charlotte in a fridge minimum 4 hours before serving it. Take off the edge of your mold. Decorate your strawberry charlotte with a beautiful ribbon, and now it's time to serve it. Serve your strawberry charlotte cold with a nice cup of coffee. Hope you did like my video and you will try my recipe. See you in the next video. Bye!